Okay, so now we're talking about complex fractions. In order to simplify a complex fraction, you need a whole fraction over a whole fraction. So in this case, I do have a whole fraction in the numerator here, but not in the denominator. So I need to make that denominator one big fraction. So let's look at it. We have 1 minus y over y plus 3. I need to get common denominators. So in this case, what the other one has so what the second one has that the first one doesn't is a y plus 3. That's what I'm going to multiply by. So what I will get is I will get y plus 3 minus y over y plus 3. That will simplify. Y minus y is 0, so we will get 3 over y plus 3. This is my new denominator. So I have y over y plus 3 over 3 over y plus 3. Now this is just a division problem. You do a keep, change, flip. So we keep the top, change to multiplication, and then we flip the bottom. Well, if you notice, y plus 3 can cancel, and you are left with y over 3.